Hello friends, I welcome you in my official YouTube channel Online Scam Advisor. Today we are going to review Oyikey Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. And our video topic is Oyikey Teeth Restoration Reviews. And in this video I will tell you that this product is legit or not. So let's start. This is an e-commerce store and offering you Oyikey Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. You can also check here. First we check what is Oyikey Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. Friends, Oyikey Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder eliminates 99.99% of bacteria, resolves bad breath, and solves all dental problems. Please check the description area of this video for return and refund issues. Now finally we will talk about Oyikey Teeth Restoration Reviews. This product is available on multiple websites, and it also may solve your all dental problems, but there is not any positive review available of this product. All product images are copied. So according to our research, in the conclusion of Oyikey Teeth Restoration Reviews, this product looks fake. But make a right decision while exploring. If this video is informative and helpful for you, then support me, like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Also comment me if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video, and stay happy, stay safe.